The spirited effort of the youth yielded dividend as they were able to prevent the fire from engulfing the entire Balogun Shopping Complex. The youth in anger turned back the Edo State Fire Service for responding late to the distress call.
The cast is morning, now they come. It's not for this Nigeria. When fire started since, they called them. Nobody responded.
But after listening to the plea of some residents, allowed the firefighters to remove the debris. A shop owner sustained severe injuries while trying to rescue his belongings. Money was found by a kind-hearted resident. According to eyewitnesses, the fire outbreak allegedly was caused by upsurge in power from one of the shafts within the complex from the high-tension wire close by.
Every day now this electric they spark. They come, they go repair and they go carry wire, they go join. They go repair and they go leave it like that. Come on. So as we sit here, now electric spark. As the electric spark, now the fire go enter this rubber this thing. From there, now the fire
I dey inside the heat where the electric spark. As I think people they run, I think at the usual run. As the fire don't cover here, and I'm have the chat. Say my run.
To say na night this way I take cash everything for pump. Make they remove this transformer for this place because now the transformer now it spark boom. Now it catch fire for Balogun.
Immediately the transformer spark. It affected something like cloth there. Immediately we don't know what just happened. The thing just flash and immediately everywhere starts burning.
They really try to help. Even me, I'm there live. So they try, they cooperate.
Fire catch for Balogun this morning. As I dey run, I see money wey fall for ground. Now I pick the whole money. So who the owner fee find if he dey find and make he let me know.
At the time of this report, the fire has been put out. Emmason Edosa, ITV News.